Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu states that a man visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in the outskirts of Medina Munawwara, I caught hold of a woman and I did all with her save sexual intercourse. Now I have come to you, you may issue a decree about me, what you wish. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said to him, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu drew well over your fault. Would that you had also concealed it. Hazrat Ibn Masud radiyallahu anhu states that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave him no reply. So he got up and went away. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent a man to fetch him and then recited these words of the Quran before him and established prayer at the two ends of the day and in parts of the night. No doubt, good deeds obliterate evil deeds. This is an admonition for the person accepting admonition. One of the gathering submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is this glad tidings specific for him only? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no, it is for all people. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6935.